E whakapae ana te Minister Christopher Luxon, ko ngā porotū a ngai Māori e tohe nei nā kaupapa here atana kāwanatanga, ka kore e auau I te kite ai te wā, ko ia te kaiarahi I te kāwanatanga. Hei tā Luxon, ka I te aro tana kāwanatanga ki te whakaputa I ngā hua pai ki a ngai Māori, me tāna whakapai anō, ka pai ake te noho a te Māori I raro I tana kāwanatanga, tērā I te noho I ngā tau e ono kua hori. He kōrero I tautokana hoki e tamapōtaka te minita whanaketanga Māori.
Yeah, absolutely. Tautoko the right of people to lawfully and peacefully protest, and what I saw was a very peaceful process. The messages that have been eloquently articulated by Rawiri Waititi, John Tamete and others really set out some of the concerns that we really have, particularly with education, health and housing, things that have been wreaked havoc by previous Labor governments, some of the deplorable statistics that affect Māori and many other communities, to be fair.
Yeah, look, I mean, Te Pāti Māori are free to activate their supporters, and as long as they have a protest that's lawful and respectful and peaceful, that's fine. I just say to you, as I said yesterday, unfortunately, Māori have done poorly under the last Labor government over the last 6 years, and so, we want to make.
Your government?
Well, the bottom line is our government's only been going 6 days, and 7 days today, so we're ready to go. But we are determined to make sure that Māori are going to do better under our government than they did in the last 6 years.
Well, it seems that Te Pāti Māori play a game called heads I win, tails you lose. Had they won the election, I'm sure they would want everyone to respect their democratic right to implement their policies. Having lost the election, they won't respect that right for anyone else.
Ko te Pāti Māori e tautau ana I te ahi o ngā porotēhi, he hua tēnei o te ātete ki ngā mahere a te kāwanatanga hou, ki te panoni I te aro nui a ngā tari kāwanatanga ki te reo Māori, ki ngā whakari tēnā kāwanarua, ki ngā whakawhanaunatanga I raro I te tiriti, ki te reo Māori anō hoki.